Okay, so let's start layering our cup. I'll just do it all over here. Alrighty, that should get us coverage all the way around. Well, top and sides. It can flow over the front and back if it wants to. Doesn't matter, all taped off. Okay, so we're going to start by pouring on the sides just to get coverage. Okay, there's one side. It doesn't want to pour. I'm making a mess here, but that's all right. Right now I'm going for coverage versus pattern. Alrighty. It's all right, looks like my fingers have been bleeding, but they haven't. All right, here goes our pour. And now we tilt. Okay, I think I'm going to stop right there. Ooh, how pretty is that? It's pretty. Full coverage on the sides all the way to the bottom. Yeehaw! Pretty, pretty, pretty. Alrighty, let's go in for a close-up. Here is the, let's see, I guess the front right corner of our box top. Going up the right side to the back right corner, across the back. Oh, the line definition makes me happy. Back left corner, up the left side, or down the left side, to the front left corner of the box top. And we'll just take a quick look at the sides. This is the, well, from the front of the box, this would be the left side. This would be the right side. There we go. And here is the whole box top again. All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll come back and take a look at how it dries. See you in a bit. Hey everybody, let's take a look at our box now that all the paint is dry that we poured on it yesterday. I must say it is just stunning. I love it. Look at the gloss finish provided by the Artist's Loft Ready Mix pouring paint. Oh, it's just beautiful. And of course my phone under the glare of the lights is not showing the best color. We need some daylight, but as you can see, it's a really crappy day outside. So this is my great indoor lighting. Let's take a look at the sides. Very pretty. The other side. Paint I had left in the cup that I used to do the pour. There was a little purple left, so I poured it down this side, which is why it looks different. But I still think it's beautiful. And of course we have all our drips on the back, but that's all taped off, so it doesn't matter. I was going to resin this. I think I may go with a couple coats of spray varnish instead, like the Rust-Oleum Super Clear Glossy. I want to protect it, but I'm not sure it really needs resin at this point. I will be back to show you the finished untaped box. I may do that in a part 2 type thing. I have some other things from other projects that I want to finish up and show you what they look like, but I don't want to delay the videos totally for days. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. Stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video.